Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails. Do you like to add alcohol to random beverages? Fantastic. Today we're going to make the Espresso Martini. Do-do-do-do-do. The Espresso Martini was invented in Ireland by an Irishman by the name of Tony Flynn, who was from Rush, North County Dublin, which is of course the Seattle, Washington of Ireland. Rush has hosted such events as the Corrs annual Tupperware party of 2018. I attended that event, it was fantastic. Here's a photograph of me in the Corrs. I asked them, what can I do to make you love me? They told me, buy some Tupperware, go on, leave me breathless. And I did. I bought this baby and I'm thankful ever since. How the Espresso Martini came to be was, Tony liked to have a coffee before he would go to work. In Ireland, a lot of coffee shops just so happened to be pubs, so he would attend the local public house. The barman was named Martin. They were good friends, and upon walking in, Martin recognised his regular customer Tony, said, "What are you having, Tony?" Tony replied with, "Espresso Martini." What he meant was he just wanted a tiny espresso because he was rushing to work. What Martin heard was, Espresso Martini. And so was made, in Dublin, Ireland, the Espresso Martini. This is how it's made.
Go on, leave me breathless. Come on.
Firstly, you want to get a glass and chill it with ice. No ice actually goes into the drink. This is just used for chilling. This is not a Espresso Martini glass. This is just a glass I have. I'm not J-Lo. I use what I have, okay? So, first we're going to put some ice into our shaker. We can lump in there. I'm going to add 1 shot of coffee. Here's one I made earlier. Neil Buchanan from Art Attack does not own that term. Then you're going to put in a 1/2 shot of Kahlua, which is a coffee rum. Followed by 1 shot of vodka. The general idea with vodka in making drinks is any vodka will do. I know there's nice brands of vodka out there, but vodka is always just vodka. The idea is it's just for mixing drinks, so Smirnoff works perfectly fine for me. But if you have Grey Goose, by all means, go ahead. And a shot in here. And the final ingredient is a 1/2 shot of sugar syrup. This is syrup I made earlier. It's just sugar and water in syrup form. 1/2 shot. Now, as this drink does not actually have ice in it, I'm going to take the ice out and have the glass just chill. And this one needs a good hard shake. When you feel the shaker get freezing cold, it's about ready. So this drink is also double strained, so there's a strainer built into this cobbler. And then I'm going to put this strainer over it, tea strainer, and pour. This drink will typically be garnished with 3 coffee beans in the glass. I personally don't like to do that. I find that you're just trying to not drink the coffee beans within the glass, so I just leave them out. I don't feel they're necessary, although I believe in any proper establishment they will add 3 coffee beans. It's just not for me. But this is the Espresso Martini to Tony Flynn. That's really good.